Teachers' Day to all the teachers present over here. Children are the future of the country. The person who realized that children need to be shaped, molded, they need to be disciplined so that they can change their destiny as well as the destiny of the nation is none other than our late Dr. Sarvapalli Radhakrishnan. Dr. Sarvapalli Radhakrishnan realized to make a children better, to make a children the best, and to make a children a champion of themselves, a teacher needs to be perfect. Every teacher is perfect in its own way. It is well said that parents are our first teachers and teachers are our second parents. Our home is our first school and our school is our second home. Teachers are perfect in every way. So in this Teachers Day, we congratulate to all the teachers present over here. Thank you for giving us our essential time so that we could make you feel special on this Teachers Day. So with this, let's begin our celebration of Teachers Day. Here's to the ones that we got. Cheers to the wish you were here, but you're not, cause the drinks bring back all the memories of everything we've been through. Toast to the ones here today. Toast to the ones that we lost on the way, cause the drinks bring back all the memories. And the memories bring back you. Memories. What are memories? Memories are an essential part of our heart. Memories are an essential part of us. Without memories, there will be no past. There will be only present. Memories are an unforgettable experience of our past. So to share some of these short and sweet memories, I would like to call some students of Standard 10 to share their experiences with us.
Good
From
morning to
guidebooks
all
to
the teachers
irritating us.
present here and hope you all are enjoying this program. So, I'm here to share some memories which I had spent with my teachers. First of all, I'm studying here since the inauguration of the school, and in my first class, that is in UKG, I had Aprajita ma'am as my class teacher. How can I forget her? She spotted out my dancing, art, and singing qualities, and I think under her guidance, I was felicitated with the all rounded prize in class 3. Then Pratibha ma'am remained as my class teacher from class 3 to class 6, and she used a nickname for me that was Bengali because I was short in height. There were other teachers like Sabita Ghade ma'am, Vaishalini ma'am, Sarla ma'am, Snigdha Senapati ma'am, Manoj sir, Sandhya ma'am are always there with me in our school, cooperating me every time as and when I wanted them as my mentor. Then in class 6 and 7, many new teachers came like Sagar sir, Pragyamay sir, Puspita ma'am, Rishikesh sir, Ganesh sir, Smita ma'am, Pratima ma'am, Manisha ma'am, Sanjukta Jaina ma'am, Sarojini ma'am, and Adyasha ma'am. Getting inspired from their unique dialogues and style, I started mimicking all the teachers. Next in class 8 and 9, I had Priyanka Raut ma'am as my class teacher, and she was my favorite biology teacher. And many more teachers like Manas sir, Rajesh sir, Arpita ma'am joined, for which more fun was experienced by every student of our class. At last but not the least, our caring and loving principal ma'am. I got inspired by her kind behavior and talking style. Really, madam, during such a pandemic situation, you have maintained and have paid serious concern towards our academics and our extracurricular activities. Will not disappoint you and come up to your expectations and will secure best marks in our board exams, striving hard and will achieve the sanguine of the success. I would like to conclude by expressing my heartfelt gratitude to all my teachers for making our class most fruitful and protecting us from being wayward students. You bring a zeal for studying in our mind. Wishing you all a happy Teachers' Day, and I hope you will enjoy my mimicry in the next session. Thank you.
Thank you so much. Just I want to say a few words that lastly you said that you will fulfill our dreams. That actually touches my heart, and I hope in this pandemic situation also, you all children cooperate with the teachers and fulfill your dreams as well as our dreams along with your respected parents. That much we want, and that much love and care we should have between all of us, that is teachers and the children, so that you can come out with colorful, that is, can flourish in your life and prosper in your life, and you can reach your goal. Thank you. Yes. I just wanted to speak because last two lines when you promised that you'll do, that actually I felt very happy with that. Thank you very much.
Yes, ma'am. Sure, ma'am.
From guiding us to motivating us, this year our respect for teachers worldwide has grown immensely. We know it has been challenging for each one of us to go through this pandemic situation. A hearty good morning to all the teachers on this mesmerizing day. Thanks for your lovely presence. In these tough times, I would like to thank all the teachers on behalf of each and every student for your unwavering support. Thank you for guiding us, inspiring us, and making us nothing without you. Now I would like to share some memories uh, of our teachers as well as experience of our beloved teachers. So firstly, I would start with our lovely principal ma'am, the best counselor of our school, who gives us counseling classes about morals. You will always be missed, ma'am. Thank you for your support. Rushikesh sir, our mood swing favorite teacher, who is able to be as strict as Hitler and as funny as Charlie Chaplin. Arpita ma'am, our counselor, who always encourages us to take part in various activities. And I remember the day when it was the last day of our class 9. She was crying for us that we would be no longer be her children. After this, Senapati ma'am, once in a week, who take our class, we have with her, but satisfactory to the most. She was one of the most childhood teacher who taught us maths, Odia, and many more subjects. Aprajita ma'am, our childhood teacher who taught us Hindi. We love to run after you for morning prayer classes, running step after steps to find you in the tiffin break was what a experience. Sarla ma'am, making a queue after you just to take a view for lab materials after turning the school lab into a fish market was funny. Sandhya ma'am, you taught us science for a long time. Your funny remarks, sweet smile will always be cherished. Pushpita ma'am, we love you, ma'am. We know the rumors in school, but we know discipline is the most applied element in studies. Your addressing to us in a good, well behaved manner will never be forgotten. Thank you, ma'am. Ganesh sir, the teacher
Is
who
ये तो
turned,
हमारा साहिल.
yes, ma'am,
Okay, continue.
the teacher who turned history into history. You made us understand each chapter like a story. And thank you, sir, for all those funny moments which will forever abide with us. Pratibha ma'am, the teacher who is very friendly and acts like a friend, who supports us in every situation. Manoj sir, the teacher who travels door after door, taking responsibilities of Olympiad and different issues. We will miss you, sir. Sarik, sir. You took the responsibility of teaching us in the absence of Rushikesh, sir. Thank you, sir, for your help. Prabhasini, ma'am. Your examination hall, as well as the few days you hold with us, was interesting. Miss you, ma'am. Rajesh, sir. Always arguing with you to go to computer lab and roaming after you to get some information about exam portion was really a funny time. Pratima, ma'am. The teacher who teaches us Hindi and a favorite class of ours when you are staring at us continuously was a funny moment. Sanjukta, ma'am. Lots of memories with you. The teacher who treats us like his own children. She is a teacher who is a mother as well. Thank you, ma'am, for your lovingness. Sarojini, ma'am, the English teacher who is very friendly and a supportive teacher. Thanks a lot, ma'am. Pradeep, sir, the Odia teacher who has a very positive attitude and a kind-hearted person. You will be missed, sir. At last, Cypria, ma'am. She is the teacher with whom we are really comfortable. She is the teacher with whom we share all the things when we need to talk. Thank you, ma'am, for those times. At last, I would conclude my memory speech and thank you all for inspiring us and motivating us. We all love you. Thank you.
A hearty good morning to one and all, respected principal ma'am, teachers, and all my dear friends. I hope you are enjoying this mesmerizing event today. Today, I Srisnath has got this opportunity to share memories on our beloved teachers. Well, I had been a student of DAV PPT for nearly 10 years. Means I had been the student from inauguration of the school. So I have a lot of happy memories to share with you. So when I joined first class, our class teacher was Aprajita ma'am. She she was a brilliant teacher, as I would say. She used to express all her feelings in just her eye expressions. I know when I used to do anything wrong, she used to just stare at me and I
Sir,
just got it.
sorry to interfere. Please turn on your video so that we can see you, my dear. Nath,
Yes,
when you're speaking, you can see. You can read also if you're written. It doesn't matter.
yes.
You can see.
Then comes our second, third, and fourth class. Our class teacher used to be Snigdha ma'am. I remember at that time there was one of my friends who was Swapnil. He used to be my best friend, but uh, for the time he left the school in class 3 or 4. Once it happened such that we were detained in the school, means we were not allowed to go to home. To add fuel to the fire, actually ma'am locked the room from behind. So what was the scene? What would be the scene? All were crying. Then after 5 minutes ma'am came and she asked us, okay, you are done with your mistakes, you shall never do this. And she released us. At that time the happiness I was feeling was immemorable. I think it is immemorable. That time. Then comes our class 9 talks. Class 9, in class 9, many memories were made. Our bio teacher used to be Priyanka ma'am. She used to poke funny jokes at us. And in this class, we are also introduced to a new teacher, Rajesh sir. Rajesh sir is very funny teacher, and he used to poke fun at all of us by speaking many funny things and joking at us. And how can we forget that we were introduced to our principal ma'am, Mrs. Bindusri Mahanti. She is the best counselor ever I had met. I think she is the best. She always taught us moral in life. She doesn't taught us to be the best, that is to score the best marks, but she teaches us to be moral and to learn moral values in life. Class 10 has been not been just memorable for me because as there were only online classes, so there are no feeling of schools. So what I have felt over these years that teachers are great. No teacher is actually bad. In fact, someone tells a teacher bad because either they don't have good relations with their teachers. I think student-teacher relation can be compared to an ionic bond, where teacher is the cation and we are anions. As cations donate and gain anions gain electrons. Similarly, teachers give us the impetus to achieve our potential. I feel that teachers are cesium, means most wishing to give that impetus. But to take it, we also must be fluorine, that is to strongly wish to gain that impetus. So it is that relation that it is this relation that which if strengthened can give us the fire to break all the limits in future and achieve success in life. So this is what I have to say. Thank you and have
Thank you, Suryasnar, for sharing your experience. It was quite funny and also very sadistic, like how you compared the teacher-student bond by using the chemistry subject. Now, I would like to pass the anchoring to Anubhav.
It was a wonderful speech given by him, that he said that he could add the topic what you have understood, apply here. That means fundamentally he is clear. Thank you. Okay, Bhuvan, because sometimes I can't, I may forget later, that's why I'm telling. Okay, go on,
No, and
carry
it's
on.
completely fine. Uh, a hearty good morning to one and all. I am Anubhav Das, and uh, thank you, Mridmay, for passing me the anchoring, and to all the teachers for giving us this opportunity to present a virtual Teachers' Day due to this pandemic. So, as memory sharing is a very emotional part, and we always feel kind of sad after recalling the bad memories. I just want to say, shall not we play a game? I need the consent of teachers. Should we play a game?
Listen, all the positive things and negative things should be kept with you. That helps you to grow in the future. Okay.
Yes, sir.
All
But
the
sir,
mistakes are remembered at the time when you are achieving something, when you are doing some new. The mistakes are remembered. If you are remember the mistakes, then at that time you will be rectified automatically. So positive memories, negative memories, everything you should keep with you. Okay. That is the thing.
yes, sir. So, but only for a refresh of mind. Should we play a game?
You are not audible. Please check your connection.
Sir, I was actually asking that for a refresh of the mood, should we play a game?
Game. Okay.
To all the teachers, do they want to play a game?
I I think all the teachers are ready. On behalf of all the teachers, I am saying yes.
No, sir, we need actually voting. Teachers should raise the hand like we do in the class. Should we play a game?
Teachers, please raise your hands. Or thumbs up, you can see.
Yes, sir. 4 participants, 5. Okay, we will play the game. Okay. Okay, sir. Okay, sir. So, there's this game which we want to play, which is Antakshari. Okay. So, we will present the song in English. You have to guess the song. Are the room clear?
I know, but let teacher say.
Anybody can say.
अनुभव, जब भी कोई लड़की देखो मेरा दिल दीवाना बोले 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 बोले, बोले.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. So you have to sing it perfectly.
No, no. What type of song you are giving me?
Okay, sir.
Any other teacher can sing. Okay.
Does any teacher want to sing?
All are
This,
raised hand to sing.
this song actually teachers cannot sing here, I think. Anyone wants to sing, you sing, be free, there is no problem.
Anyone can unmute and sing. There's nothing to raise the hands.
Aprajita madam will sing now. Aprajita madam will sing.
हैप्पी टीचर्स डे मैम. थैंक यू मैम. जब भी कोई लड़की देखो मेरा दिल दीवाना बोले ओले 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 ओले. बस गाँव तराना. थैंक यू मैम. थैंक यू.
Next part is not there.
थैंक यू मैम.
Thank you, ma'am, for singing.
Next,
So
next.
there's this next song.
I think it is Kidhar Chala Main Idhar Chala. That one? Oh, no.
Cop is
Yes, sir,
written.
yes.
Off is written.
And
Good.
crazy is also written crazy. Hello. Hello. Hello.
Yes.
Good morning. Good morning, everyone.
Good morning.
Happy Teachers Day.
Morning, ma'am.
Teachers Day to Principal Ma'am and all my dear colleagues. Shall I sing a song?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Definitely.
Okay.
This one is
लकड़ी लकड़ी की काठी काठी में घोड़ा घोड़े के तुम उठा के मारा घोड़ा दौड़ा 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 उठा के दौड़ा लकड़ी की काठी काठी पे घोड़ा घोड़े के तुम तोड़. थैंक यू एवरीवन.
Thank you, ma'am.
थैंक यू मैम. बहुत अच्छा.
Thank you, ma'am.
बहुत अच्छा.
So this is the song.
No, that is not the song, but she's
अच्छा अच्छा अच्छा. बहुत बढ़िया.
लकड़ी की काठी काठी पे घोड़ा. ये मासूम फिल्म का है. नहीं
So I think something is written.
अंताक्षरी song. That is. Oh, अंताक्षरी. अच्छा sorry. No need to say sorry, ma'am.
What I should not have. I also went somewhere and मैं किधर भी चला गया और मर गया. और क्या हुआ?
क्रेजी हो गया. पागल
मर
हो
गया फिर खास के पागल हो गया.
खास के पागल ये
पागल हो
कोरोना
गया.
के
I went
कोरोना के
crazy.
बारे में
Oh,
है
I
सर
went-
शायद.
Oh.
सर
No,
गो
sir.
कोरोना गो नहीं है तो.
No, sir, no, sir.
कोरोना ही.
Hey, थोड़ा सा hint दे दो.
हाँ.
You can give the hint.
Hey, new song or old song?
Sir, new है. Sir, वो जो
New song, movie song or album?
some movie.
Which movie?
ऐसा बोल देगा तो आप क्या सकते हैं?
Which movie? There are many songs. What is asking? No, you
What
can see the. You can see in the screen, Pushpita madam. What he is asking, the question, what is the question actually? I want to know.
The song is written in English. You have to say which song it is.
Where it is written? I can't see in my screen.
Screen, ma'am. In the screen.
Okay.
Visible,
ma'am, the screen is not visible.
Okay, it is visible. It is visible.
Yes, the screen is visible, Anubhav.
Okay.
Diet good enough. Diet good enough. Good cough.
And this is the song of Kangana Ranaut. This is a song of Kangana Ranaut.
This is just search.
Kangana.
मानस सर नहीं है कहाँ गए मानस सर
Which
Queen
film?
movie song or what?
We need Manas sir here.
Yes, sir. Queen.
Hogi 122 या क्या है?
Are you teachers
Oh,
you
that,
see in
that-
net how the students see in net to answer your questions? Just see in net YouTube and see.
Good morning, ma'am. Happy Teachers Day, ma'am.
Thank you, thank you.
How can we type this one in the to translate it in the Hindi?
Queen picture you type.
No, that I'm searching.
Sir, searching in Google
So
is not allowed.
no one could say all are failed this one. You give 0 to all, and children you sing this one. Time is up.
Yes.
We should not go for cheating. Okay, we should not go. Let
Any of the student you please sing. So that we can know. Anubhav, should we go to the next screen?
Sir, I was also
Anubhav.
thinking that.
What is this song? You please help.
Sir,
it's घानी बावरी हो गई.
yes, sir, that song.
ये याद नहीं है. Next.
Okay, sir, next song.
हाँ. कुछ पता होना चाहिए इस तरह सॉन्ग का याद नहीं. इस खत्म हो गया.
This one is the first one, I think, Anubhav.
Slowly. Your voice is like.
ये वाला गाना गाएंगे संध्या में.
कोयल सी तेरी बोली.
रहेगा
वही वाला गाना. कोयल सी तेरी बोली. फूलों से तेरी. और याद नहीं है.
Please continue.
मैम जितना लिखा है उतना पूरा गाना पड़ेगा.
पूरा गाना पड़ेगा. नहीं मुझे नहीं आता है.
I wish madam and all teachers very happy Teachers Day, all of you. Let me sing. Actually, I have forgotten that song. Okay.
वही वाला.
कोयल सी तेरी बोली सूरत है कितनी भोली दिल में
देख के दिल कुछ होने लगा. बहुत अच्छा.
Okay, next
Okay,
screen.
clap. All of you clap. Okay, all of you, all the teachers, raise your hand and pat yourself. We are the best.
Online clap.
Thank you.
Online clap.
Virtual clap.
Okay. Anubhav, next.
Okay, really, I'm feeling very much happy. Despite this pandemic situation, they are showing their care, love, respect to the teachers.
ये वाला गा
So we
दीजिए.
are very much thankful for this.
संध्या मैम.
Thank you, student.
गा दीजिए ये वाला गाना.
आगे sir.
ये वाला गाना भी गा दीजिए. Sing this song.
Sister, your brother-in-law.
दीदी तेरा तेवर दीवाना.
तेरा तेवर दीवाना.
Ganesh sir, I think you are mute.
पुरियों को डाले दाना.
गुड़ियों को दाना.
पुरियों को डाले दाना.
तेवर दीवाना.
पुड़ियों को
डाले दाना.
धंधा
उसका पुराना. पुड़ियों
को डाले दाना.
Okay, thank you all of you.
Very good.
We are the best. Clap.
Next.
Thank you to all the teachers. Actually, I have made only this much. So
You should
sorry.
clap for us, na?
Yes, I
Very,
am
very
clapping
good.
in home.
You are
Yeah, I am
clapping,
clapping.
but no sound is there.
Yes. Okay, ma'am. So I will now like to pass the anchoring to Mridmay again. Mridmay.
Okay, okay. Okay, over.
All
Thank
the,
you.
Round.
all the
Thank you.
teachers, please mute. All the teachers, please mute.
Thank you to all the teachers for participating in our game. We hope the little efforts we made you to please you will work, and this Teachers' Day, despite this pandemic situation, will be very memorable to you and also to us. Now, I would like Rishikesh sir to say a few words on this auspicious occasion. Please, sir.
I'll say, but you have not informed me.
So this is a surprise type of speech you
Okay,
have.
surprise time.
Just you tell few lines.
Yes, sir. Yes, ma'am. Yes.
So like you do surprise
Thank you,
test in the
students. Respected principal, ma'am, all my dear colleagues, and my loving students. This is a very memorable and memorable day for us, and epic day for us also. That for the first time, very first time, this is the celebration through online, the virtual celebration. So you can say it as a real, but because everyone is linked with everyone here. You have made a fantabulous job here, that you are trying to give your level best to entertain us, to give the feedback, to give your memories, and whatever you have, you are doing the thing. And I think you are digitally more strong. You are digitally stronger than us. That you have done such things so beautifully. You have done it. And on this Teachers' Day, I'll thank, first of all, I will thank all my teachers for whom I am here. I have gained so much knowledge, or whatever I have the knowledge, I am sharing with you. I'll thank all the teachers present over here, from whom I have also learned many things. I will thank Principal Ma'am also, that who has taught us many things to grow in our life. But one thing you should remember, that whenever you are taking something from the teachers, the teacher is the giver and you are always the taker. If you are taking something, you just utilize it in your life in a positive way. As I have already told, that positive things and negative things should be taken away, but positive things should be used in every step of your life. I'll not say about only examination you can learn, you can score good marks, but in your whole life many positive things are there. If you will carry it, then you can be a very good person, and your character will be developed, and everyone will adore you. Okay, so thank you again. Happy Teachers' Day to all of you. Just enjoy the day. Next, continue. Thank you.
Thank you, sir, for your words. Now, we would like to present a short video clip to you, which we prepared. It was prepared in the last moment, so we don't know if it's good enough or not to please you, but we will hope that we put the effort in it, will definitely please you.
Okay, thank you.
Anubhav, can you give the host of to me? Hello.
Rehan.
Yes, sir.
Now, which video clip? The video clip which is prepared by the
Sir,
Subhamjit Subhade, I think.
Mimicry.
It is the
No,
mimicry
sir, it will
one?
be in the last.
Yes, yes, yes.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Excuse me, my DT. Actually, there is some network problem of the, so he will the screen again. So he was requested to be in the meeting for some time. He will again share the screen.
So,
खो जाए राह तो राह रोशन करते वो छोटे छोटे हाथ छोटे से पाँव थे नन्ही सी आँखों ने जब देखा था तुम्हें वो टीचर तुमसे ही पाया है सभी ये भूलेंगे ना तुमको हम कभी हमें है कि हमसे प्यार करते हैं वो दिए की ज्योति सीप में मोती ये दुनिया इतनी हसीन ना होती हम में भी सलीका ना होता जीने का तरीका ना होता वो टीचर तुमसे ही पाया है सभी ये भूलेंगे ना तुमको हम कभी छोटे छोटे हाथ छोटे से पाँव थे नन्ही सी आँखों ने जब देखा था तुम्हें न था मालूम कि तुम ही तो दोगे पहचान हम सभी को इसलिए शुक्रिया दिल से तुमको दिए लड़खड़ाते हैं हम थाम लेते हैं कि वो खो जाए राह तो राह रोशन करते वो कभी मुस्कुराते हैं वो कभी गुस्सा करते हैं वो हमें है कि हमसे प्यार करते हैं वो होती सीप में मोती, ये दुनिया इतनी हसीन ना होती, हम में भी सलीका ना होता, जीने का तरीका ना होता। ओ टीचर तुमसे ही पाया है सभी।
Excuse me. Ma'am, I think for the network connection, might be disconnected.
Okay, you do one thing. The video, if you want to see, let the children share with you. Take the video.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, share
Yes,
in the
ma'am,
group. Everybody will see.
We will go. We can go to the next agenda now.
Okay.
कौन है तोरा?
Sorry, teachers, for the disruption. I think some network error was there, but no need to worry. We will share the video in the group. Hope the fun we were having while watching the video didn't go away. Once again, sorry. Now moving to the next agenda, I would first like to thank Swastika that she took the effort in making this video. We hope that the video will not be embarrassing to you all. It will be a fun one. So let's welcome Swastika with a mimicry video.
गुड मॉर्निंग स्टूडेंट्स। तो आज तुम लोग ने क्या खाया है? चलो आज कौन सा चैप्टर पढ़ेंगे? देखो 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 से पिला कोसे एते खराब पिला मोइटी पढौची से कोन करछि देखो केमती होबो बात में कम पाई पठौ सदी पाठ पढिबा को पठौ जन ना पाठ पढिबा जे इंग्लिश करबो किते होबो गेले पढिबो कि नहीं? वेरी गुड। तो मेरे प्यारे प्यारे बच्चों, आप सब लोग बहुत अच्छे हो। आप सब लोग पढ़ोगे, बहुत मेहनत करोगे, स्कूल का नाम रोशन करोगे, पापा मम्मी का नाम रोशन करोगे, खुद भी बहुत बड़े इंसान बनोगे। तो आज पढ़ेंगे एग्रीकल्चर। हिंदी क्लास में बच्चे क्यों नहीं है? क्लास नहीं कुछ क्या ऑप्शन करोगे? यार समझ में नहीं आता। मैं कितनी बार तुम बोलो तुम्हें समझ में नहीं आता नक्शे लिखने नहीं तो चुपचाप सुनो क्लास वाले निकल जबान से। प्रिंसिपल मैम को बुला दूंगी। इसी में कॉरिडोर में घूम रहे हैं, अभी बुला दूंगी। चिल्ला रहे हो खाली, उन्हें बुलाऊंगी फिर तुम लोगों को पनिशमेंट जाएगा। नहीं तो प्रिंसिपल मैम के रूम को खींच के लेके जाएंगे। चुपचाप बैठो, खड़े हो जाओ।
Boyshali madam, please mute. Boyshali madam, please mute.
जो ये होता पड़ेगा हिस्ट्री का जो। So we'll start from ruler act. Ruler act of 1990. अच्छा तुम कहलो पिले गोटे चासी लोक सी तार गला बिल रे बहुत खरा होची तार घटी घटी तार आइला आसी घरे पखाड़ कंसाई रही से आलू चोकड़ा धरी बई तो पुलिस आसी उठेनी पड़ो तो भल लगे विद्रोह है करदेले रिवोल्ट let act empty. Next ଆମେ କଣ अच्छा ଆମେ କଣ सीजनल अनएम्प्लॉयमेंट ଉପରେ अच्छा कृषि तार आइला जमी रे चाना लगे पड़े सी कौन सब वर्ष आसिक स्केल धरिक एमती उपाड़ी मापिब केते हला केते नाही मापिब पुणी कटि जिवई सेटा कोठी सीजनल अनएम्प्लॉयमेंट हला ना हे पार्टी के करछु चुप बस चुप बस बिक्री प्लान पढ़े अब ना ओटे क्लास तो इटा इंटरेस्ट नहीं क्लास नहीं कहां जाओ क्लास रो अलग पिला पढ़ी हो दियो Start writing. Open your copy. Yes. Right. Reflection. The bouncing back of light. The bouncing back of light is known as reflection. Yes. Right. Laws of reflection. Laws of reflection. The incident ray, the normal on the contact lens, and the reflected ray lie on the same plane. Lie on the same plane. Then angle I is equal to angle R. What is angle I? Angle of incidence. What is angle R? इतना सोच क्यों रही हो पढ़ाई नहीं हो रहा है पढ़ाई नहीं हो रहा है एंगल ऑफ इंसिडेंस इज इक्वल टू एंगल ऑफ रिफ्लेक्शन हाँ नेक्स्ट एक बदमाश लड़का बात क्यों कर रहे हो ये खाली बात ही कर रहे हो बैठ के पीछे बैठ गए आराम आराम कॉपी रे भारी निमा गप्पू था शेर भी गप्पू देखो a plus b plus c whole square is equal to a square plus b square plus c square plus 2ab plus 2bc plus 2c कौन सॉल्व अरे a plus b plus c whole square equals to a square plus b square plus c square plus 2ab plus 2bc plus 2c देखो prove that कौन ईमेल चैट चाट में नहीं जो खाइबा चाट में जो पढ़ी बड़ी डाको चैट सीएन हुआ अरे टेक्स्ट मैसेजिंग चैट सो ईमेल इज काई गो चुपचाप सुनो चुप बस चुपचाप मैंने मु एडी पढ़ी चलची के मते किछि आंसर दोनो कोन मु एडी प्रपोजन दोची सारथी आ प्रपोजन सुनछो बसिना कोन प्रपोजन चलबा क्लास चलची क्लास तो जाबो चली मुझे किसी पढ़ौची बोले बाबा मुझे किसी पढ़ौची बोले काई वो पूछेगी
नहीं
Thank you, Swastika.
Thank you, Swastika. For
For
observing,
remembering each second of the teaching.
for observing us for each second. Rehan,
They made you
Anubhav
observe
is there?
yourself. That means they made you observe your role in the classroom. How
Yes,
you
ma'am.
are in the class, they made you through that. Okay. I
Rehan,
always scared of this mimicry. I do not know. I don't like to see any negative. Okay, thank you.
Rehan, Anubhav is there? The last agenda. We will go with the
Yes,
last
sir.
agenda. Anubhav?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Just share the screen. This is the last agenda, I think. Okay, go for it.
Yes, sir. So I would like to tell everyone now it's riddle time. So at last we will do a simple riddle, which is not that much hard actually. So we will share the Google form link in the chat, and you will have to give the answer. So I am sharing the link in the chat.
क्या मिलेगा? सर्टिफिकेट?
Sir, teacher of the year.
Sir, virtual prizes. Sir, virtual prizes.
Okay. जल्दी सेंड करो लिंक.
Yes, sir. I have shared the link. So kindly everyone, please try to solve the riddle. Is everyone appearing the riddle? Actually, I can't see here. So I'm actually confused. Is everyone appearing the riddle?
No, only riddle time is written. Nothing else.
Ma'am, I have actually provided the link. You have to click on it so that it will open the Google form.
Ma'am, it is in the chat box. He was pasted into the chat box. The link, it is there. Just paste it again, Anubhav.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
Already Rehan has done.
Yes, sir. This riddle is only for teachers. I see some students are also appearing it. This is only for the teachers.
Let students to do this also.
Some are trying to cheat. I can see they're typing something so that the answer will be visible. Cheating is not allowed here, so please don't try to do it. To all the students.
You have given any time, Anubhav? In the
No,
riddle?
sir. No, sir.
You should.
So it is quite easy, so I thought everyone will do it in few seconds.
Sir, Rajesh sir, it is not opening.
Link is not opening, ma'am.
Link
I'm
is here
doing.
in the chat box,
Yes,
but it is not opening. When I'm clicking the
yes, ma'am. It is opening. Okay, ma'am. I'm just sending this that chat.
yes.
5 minutes left. 5
Now,
minutes left.
now it is opening.
You have given. Opening.
Would have told all the teachers to keep their video on.
Actually, I was thinking that, but
No. Okay.
yes, ma'am. Okay, the time is up. Please, everyone, kindly submit the response. Submit it, everyone. I have only received 6 response, 7 now. Please, everyone, submit. The time is over.
Just wait for 2 minutes, then stop.
Yes, ma'am. Oh, it's okay. Only a
Okay,
small
you're
game.
playing teachers.
Yes,
For
ma'am.
teachers, you should give little bit more time.
Yes, ma'am. 10 minutes for 10 questions.
Okay.
Will you continue or
Sir, not everyone has submitted yet. I am waiting
you
for
should have
everyone to
kept
submit.
some time limit for that? Okay.
Yes, sir.
Time limit. Okay.
So we can stop it.
So it is over. Let it be over now. All of you submit kindly
You
because as
continue.
a student they are not able to tell you. They cannot force you.
Yes.
So kindly give one time.
I think many teachers have submitted. How many submission are Dekho? How many responses you have got?
Sir, 13 responses.
13 responses. Teachers, please submit it as soon as possible. Within these 30 seconds, you please submit and we will continue. Let me.
Actually, I am unable to see more. I'll leave them now. 5 minutes.
Ma'am, the link is there. You can appear later also. The time limit is not given.
No, I haven't tried also.
Okay.
Not feeling well.
Ah.
Rajesh sir.
Yes, sir.
You please tell them to continue.
Anubhav. Anubhav and
Yes, sir.
Anubhav, you start.
Just go to the
Teachers,
next.
please come to the meeting.
Just go to the slide.
Okay, sir. So thank you everyone. I will pass the anchoring to Mridmay again. Mridmay, please continue.
Thank you, teachers, for giving us your valuable time. We know that we are not able to make such a big fancy celebration as we did in the previous year. So we hope that the little much effort we put in it will please you. Every moment of this epic day will always be cherished. Not only the teachers who teach us subjects, but also the teachers who teach the subjects to our junior ones. We will always remember how we run behind them to take a chance to ask them that whether our younger siblings are doing well or not, whether they're eating their food, whether or not they're being naughty in the class. We will always remember how they contribute to the school to make the stage decorations, to make the card festival more effective, how we engage with them for all the decorations. We will always remember how the school looks like a pageant day whenever the small children celebrate red day, green day, monsoon day, or many other days. We will always remember how they dance happily, and by watching them how we review our childhood. So we hope this teachers day was a memorable day for you. Thank you again.
Thank you very much, Mrinmay. Thank you, Swastika, for wonderful role play that is about mimicry about the teachers. You are keenly observing, you all are observing. It means that you all are listening in the class. If I take in the positive way, you all are attentive in the class, that's why you are observing. That is a positive point. And it is one wonderful program you have organized. I'm sure that our children, they are no less than the children of any other school. So happy to see you that you have prepared so well, that is staying at home, cooperating with each other, talking to each other, you have organized. It may be always, it should be a big program. It should, if it is a small and sweet, short and sweet, that is best. Okay? And your love and affection for your teachers, let it stay forever. And teachers, I want to say you that you are also wonderful teachers in the school. You are working hard in this situation also to make the online classes effective, and you are also very cordial with children, what I found here, and that should be the relationship between teachers and the children. Always seen that if the in between teacher and students one word is there, that is love, that can take to any height. If you love your teacher, a teacher love you, teachers love you, then you can do miracle. That I know. Because first of all, you listen to a person if you love that person. So that relation may sustain. And teachers, you know, you are writing on the, not only you are writing on the blackboard of the classroom, which is erased by the duster, but you are writing on their life blackboard. If you take the life as a blackboard, you teachers are writing on that life blackboard of the children, which cannot be erased. And they can have a very wonderful future with your effort only. You are shaping their future. So with these words, thank you all. I remain. Thank you very much. Happy Teachers' Day again.
Thank you, ma'am, for your sweet words. We hope all the teachers enjoyed this session. And now I would like to request Rehan, the video which was previously paused, if he can show that, it will be very good. Please, Rehan.
One thing more I want to say, now in Paradeep, I think this corona is moving. I don't know whether I have or not, but please stay home, my dear children. Don't go outside. No one is telling that what is happening to others. So please don't go outside, don't meet anybody. You be at home and stay safe. That is first. Life is first, then everything. All of you have to stay at home. Don't go outside. And my dear teachers also, please take care of this. Because now in Paradeep we are hearing that lots of cases are there. And please take care. Very much, you teachers and students, if you want to continue, you want to talk, you can talk. And I am leaving this program now. Thank you very much.
Thank you, ma'am.
लड़खड़ाते हैं हम, थाम लेते हैं कि वो खो जाए रहे तो राह रोशन करते वो, कभी मुस्कुराते हैं वो, कभी गुस्सा करते हैं वो, हमें है यकीन हमसे प्यार करते हैं वो। दिए की ज्योति सी में मोती, ये दुनिया इतनी हसीन ना होती, हम में भी सलीका ना होता, जीने का तरीका ना होता। वो टीचर तुमसे ही पाया है सभी, ये भूलेंगे ना तुमको हम कभी। छोटे छोटे हाथ, छोटे से पाँव थे, नन्ही सी आँखों ने जब देखा था तुम्हें, न था मालूम कि तुम ही तो दोगे पहचान हम सभी को। इसलिए शुक्रिया दिल से तुमको, दिए की ज्योति सीप में मोती, ये दुनिया इतनी हसीन ना होती, हम में भी सलीका ना होता, जीने का तरीका ना होता। वो टीचर तुमसे ही पाया है सभी, ये भूलेंगे ना तुमको हम कभी। लड़खड़ाते हैं हम, थाम लेते हैं कि वो खो जाए राह, तो राह रोशन करते वो। छोटे छोटे हाथ, छोटे से पाँव थे, नन्ही सी आँखों ने जब देखा था तुम्हें, वो टीचर तुमसे ही पाया है सभी, ये भूलेंगे ना तुमको कभी। हमें है कि हमसे प्यार करते हैं वो, दिए की ज्योति सीप में मोती, ये दुनिया इतनी हसीन ना होती, हम में भी सलीका ना होता, जीने का तरीका ना होता। वो टीचर तुमसे ही पाया है सभी, ये भूलेंगे ना तुमको हम कभी। छोटे छोटे हाथ, छोटे से पाँव थे, नन्ही सी आँखों ने जब देखा था तुम्हें, न था मालूम कि तुम ही तो दोगे पहचान हम सभी को। इसलिए शुक्रिया दिल से तुमको, दिए की ज्योति सीप में मोती, ये दुनिया इतनी हसीन ना होती, हम में भी सलीका ना होता, जीने का तरीका ना होता। वो टीचर तुमसे ही पाया है सभी, ये भूलेंगे ना तुमको हम कभी। लड़खड़ाते हैं हम, थाम लेते हैं कि वो खो जाए राह, तो राह रोशन करते वो। छोटे छोटे हाथ, छोटे से पाँव थे, नन्ही सी आँखों ने जब देखा था तुम्हें, वो टीचर तुमसे ही पाया है सभी, ये भूलेंगे ना तुमको हम कभी।
Great work. Thank you.